Now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Acting President of Venezuela, Delcy Rodriguez, has said differences with the U.S. will be handled diplomatically as the Venezuelan people call for the release of Nicolas Maduro and his wife from U.S. custody. Thousands of people marched through Venezuela's capital, Caracas, demanding the release of President Maduro and his wife, Celia Flores, exactly 1 month since U.S. forces abducted the couple in a bloody nighttime raid. The march, called by the government and involving many public sector workers, stretched for several hundred meters, accompanied by trucks blaring music. Over the past 2 months, the U.S. Department of Justice has released millions of documents related to its sex trafficking investigation into Jeffrey Epstein. Now, President Donald Trump wants the nation to move on. Deputy U.S. Attorney General Todd Blanche has said the government's review of the Epstein files, which was mandated by a law passed by Congress in November, is over and there are no grounds for new prosecutions. While the Justice Department's review may be over, on Capitol Hill, the House of Representatives is pushing ahead with its own Epstein inquiry. Former President Bill Clinton and former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton are scheduled to testify later in February after Republicans threatened to hold them in contempt of Congress. Meanwhile, members of Congress and Epstein's victims are continuing to call for further disclosures, pointing to documents they say exist but weren't included in the released files. Now, those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinsky Robinson.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after the break with
Jeremy Brown.